Everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can download Pinterest.com onto your Windows PC. Now, as we all know, Pinterest is one of the most famous apps known and used for downloading photos and having your own Pinterest boards. However, it is only available as an application on iOS and Android. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get it as an application on your Windows 10 and 11 device. If you're looking forward to this video, be sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any information. Other than that, let's begin. To begin, you are going to be needing to use the Google Chrome browser. Next up, we are going to be writing Pinterest.com. And you are going to have to log in. But let's imagine I am logged in and I am in my main page. From there, all I have to do is hit the three dots on the top right. From there, we want to head on to the More Tools and press on Create a Shortcut. From there, make sure it is named Pinterest, just like so. And we're going to press on Open as a window. Next up, you simply want to press the Create button. Give it a second, and you can drag it wherever you'd like. Next up, we're going to right click on it and press on Pin to Taskbar. Now, if I do close Pinterest, whenever I want to use it again, all I'd have to do is come down here and press on it, and it would open up Pinterest for me. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.